Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading your clip into your editor and isolating the audio track. Once loaded, duplicate the track so you always have the untouched original to revert to. Find a silent gap where only the background noise is audible and capture a noise profile. This tells the software what to remove. Make sure to label the profile and save it. After capturing, apply a conservative initial noise reduction to preview impact. You want to hear improvement without artifacts. Once done with the profile, move into detailed reduction controls. Lower thresholds gradually to avoid pumping and reduce artifacts by increasing smoothing or attack/release settings. You should then apply corrective EQ. High pass to remove rumble under 8120 Hz, and gentle high-frequency shelf reduction for hiss. If you encounter clicks or clipping, run declick and declip tools next, and use narrow notch filters for consistent hums or tones. You finish by balancing levels. Normalize or manually ride gain so your peaks stay around -6 dB true peak, then add gentle compression and a limiter for consistent perceived loudness. Export using a high-quality codec and check the file on multiple devices. If you notice unwanted warbling or artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount and reprocess, or capture a new noise profile from a different silent section. Make sure to keep the original files so you can iterate without loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.